Okay, so now how, look at here, this is let's say this is our switch. Okay, so look at here, this metal, right, this metal strip is connected with a 2 bolt, first bolt and second bolt. When you look at the back side, in this back side these 2 bolts are also connected with a wire. This is a bulb wire, that one bulb wire is connected this bolt. This is the another wire that is from the negative, like from the negative side, right, negative terminal is connected to this bolt. Okay, now look at here, this one is right now, this is not complete, circuit is not complete, so that's why you can see bulb is not glowing, right? Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to switch on. Okay, so for that I need to bring it like this. So here you can see that bulb is glowing, right? Can you see that? Can you see
Yes.
that? Bulb is glowing, right? Okay, now if I did this again, look at here, bulb is not glowing, right? So what you have to do is, this is switch on. Okay, switch on means you are going to say talk, right? So this is switch on, so bulb glows. Switch off means talk, like it comes out. When it comes out, what will happen? This circuit is not complete. Look at here, this metal strip is not connected with this bolt. This metal strip is not connected with this bolt. That means in this bolt you can see there's a one wire is connected. So through that bolt, so this wire bring the electric current, right? This wire bring the electric current and that pass to this bolt. This bolt is a metal, and through that, when we touch this metal strip with the bolt, that electric current pass to this metal strip to here, and from here again to this bolt, and backside of this bolt you can see there's another wire of bulb. So this electric current will pass through that wire. Okay, so that's why only this bulb is able to glow. Now if what will happen if we this one